We've all seen it. Trying to line up some pipes with your cage clamps. Well, here's a tool to fix the problem. As you saw in the video, simply tuck it under your cage clamp, snug it up, then start moving some metal. It really is that simple, whether by hand or by drill. Putting the force as close to the seam as possible makes these work. This is one of those products you just go, damn, I wish I'd have thought about this. Too simple, makes life easy, gets the job done. That's what it's about. We're calling these the SD-1. You can find it at fitupgear.com. Get them while they last. They're flying off the shelves just like the tube vices did. Remember what we say, fit it, tack it, weld it. Fit Up Gear.